Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to record shows on YouTube TV using your Firestick. Have you ever missed your favorite show on YouTube TV and wished you could just record it for later? Well, with YouTube TV's DVR feature, you absolutely can. And using your Firestick to access YouTube TV makes the whole process super simple. In this video, we'll walk you through step by step how to find shows you want to record, add them to your library, and then access your recordings on your Firestick. We'll also cover a few helpful tips and tricks to make sure you're getting the most out of YouTube TV's DVR. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Rome Tips for more tips and tricks on streaming, smart home devices, and all things tech. It really helps us out. Okay, let's get started. Section 1. Navigating YouTube TV on Firestick. Alright. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure you have the YouTube TV app installed on your Firestick. If you don't, head over to the Amazon App Store, search for YouTube TV, and download it. Once installed, open the YouTube TV app. You should see the main screen with your personalized recommendations and live channels. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Section 2. Finding shows to record. There are a few ways to find shows you want to record. The Live tab. The easiest way is to browse the Live tab. This will show you what's currently playing and what's coming up next on all your channels. If you see something you want to record, simply select it. The Home tab. The Home tab will give you personalized recommendations based on your viewing history. You might find something new you want to record here. The Search function. You can also use the search function to find specific shows, movies, or even sports teams. Just type in what you're looking for using the Firestick remote. Section 3. Adding shows to your library, recording. Once you found a show you want to record, select it. You'll be taken to the show's information page. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the plus library button. It's usually right below the show title. Click on that button. Important note: YouTube TV records all future airings of that show, not just the specific episode you selected. This means you don't have to worry about manually setting recordings for each episode. YouTube TV does it for you. If it's a sporting event, you'll often have the option to record the specific game or the entire team. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Section 4. Accessing your recordings. Now that you've recorded some shows, let's find them. From the main YouTube TV screen, navigate to the Library tab. This is where all your recorded shows and movies live. You'll see your recordings organized by show title. Simply select the show you want to watch, and then choose the episode you want to play. Section 5. Managing your recordings and storage. YouTube TV gives you unlimited DVR storage, which is awesome. However, recordings are typically kept for up to 9 months. So you don't have to worry about running out of space, but keep in mind that older recordings will eventually be deleted. If you want to remove a show from your library and stop future recordings, go to the show's information page in the library and click the library button. This will remove the show from your recordings. Section 6. Tips and tricks. Here are a couple of extra tips for recording on YouTube TV with Firestick. Recording entire series. As we mentioned, adding a show to your library records all future episodes. This is great for catching up on entire series. Sports recordings. YouTube TV is fantastic for sports fans. You can record entire seasons of your favorite teams and never miss a game. Traveling. Remember that YouTube TV is location-based. Your local channel lineup and recordings might change if you travel outside your home area.
Outro.
And that's it. That's how to record shows on YouTube TV using your Firestick. Hopefully, this video was helpful, and now you can easily record all your favorite shows and watch them whenever you want. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful tutorials. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite show to record on YouTube TV is. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy streaming!